Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix TikTok video resolution not spotted at this time. When you try to upload a video and this kind of error occur, then I will tell you how you can tackle this error. First of all, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the TikTok. After you have opened a TikTok and you want to upload a video on TikTok which is higher than quality 1080 pixel, and if you click on next and you want to upload that video, then this kind of error occur. So I will tell you how you can tackle this error. First of all, you have to close TikTok and you have to install an app which is named as, in short, you have to install that app. So before uploading that video, what you have to do is you have to open that video in that app, and after opening, what you can do is you have to reduce that video resolution in 1080p or lower than 1080p so that you can upload that video in TikTok without any problem. As you can see, their resolution 1080 pixel. So after doing all that, you can click on save and this video will be saved in 1080 pixel, and you can easily upload that video in TikTok without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.